catch. I got him.
Good job.
Yo, film it.
Good job, Chuck. This is on Sea Savvy.
Greg Balestris.
Can I get my line now?
Only fish, brother.
I think Anthony's was bigger.
Go on our website, seasavvy.com.
SeaSavvyCharters.com.
SeaSavvyCharters.com.
All right, Johnny's up.
I dropped my fish. Giving out the wrong information.
Chuck, how big is that?
That's easily 30 pounds. Beautiful fish.
30 pounds. We got another 30 pounder in there.
Easily 30 pounds.
I think I struggled more than Anthony.
Can I drop my fish?
Oh, wait. Where's the scale? Still filming?
Yeah.
Film. Grab that.
Let me get the wire.
There's a lot of pressure. He's in my ear. I'm doing this, doing that. You're doing this.
I never saw a fish take that much line. I thought he was bigger.
Chuck, are you going to put this on your website?
Yeah, no.
You can only get this on Sea Savvy.
Charters.
Yes, Charters. This is the happy Craig Balestris.
I just want to be there.
29 pounds.
29 pounds. And look at the other fish we have. We have a 30 pounder, 29 pounder, and a 19 pounder.
Guys, we got a bite on. Let's go.
All right, let's go.
Okay.
You can only get this on at Sea Savvy.